How to add video and photo to one Instagram story. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the option of your story. With that, your gallery will open up. First up, go ahead and select the video, or also you can shoot it. If you want to shoot it, click on the option of camera and do that. Or if you want to select the video from the gallery, just select it. Once you have selected the video, now what you have to do is adjust the size in this way. Once we have adjusted the size of the video, now click on the sticker icon given over here. Select the option of photo. Again, your gallery will open up. Select the picture of your choice. Then place it. Now you can click on your story and upload it. Or in case if you want to add more photos, click on this sticker icon. Select the picture. Adjust the size and place it. Also, you can use different features of Instagram given at the top. Once you are done, click on your story and upload it. So this way you are able to add video and photo to one Instagram story. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.